Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see the how to save the poster in high quality image. Let's get started. Follow the steps carefully. In Tools button, choose Compress Picture, then choose the quality you need. My suggestion is 330 pixels per inch for the best quality image, which means HD images. Now based on the comparison between the normal and HD image, we can get the image which is right side has the high resolution. Thanks for your valuable time for this video. Stay tuned for future lessons on design and poster making. Don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe for Facile Stuff. We make things simple.